mag weg. Maar ten weg, Austin. Shalana sabe Johanna, sam mi juda gedal strachen velle. Kan je oh my god. Kan je lana lakem. Mi juda gedal strachen velle. Kan je nie me waar agus mo go al. Haar food. Ik ga food agus handtuiske paskek. Agus kan je af sakem tegen me gra so mi dully. In Jay. Van mi fiach nu fine ticket is on concert ceol. Agus gedúir miad. Agus ha mi haast go branach agus gan je mis mention nach bí mi a fine ticket ma ha mi géri. A charo mi a fine nuair a bhaid a trínaach. So Dius go bhfuil an túisceann, charo mi a cur cálaid a mit an a ríist agus charo mi a dearnú malt. A cha ceir Shalana sabit hanag sami, I mean Connie gra Shalana sabit sin jida vibes. What need to be dolled up Sunday. Quite man ha made a via gal. No no for second babies to sergra. I quite marvel. No, I do that food. Brachen. Look at me. Mi gyrach ar eis fo cuairs le brachen agus ha mi a géirí copan ar hen tuisce hastan chofuad ha dúra chofluch agus chofuad agus chatal méidrin ach ha mi a dal ar fallaf ar dromart ha mi dal fallaf matin dromart I'm watching Serendipity and it's the first time I've ever watched it, but I'm really enjoying it. So I'm going to have a cup of tea, I'm going to watch a film and I'm going to have some snacks. I think my whole weekend has consisted of just tea, coffee, snacks and films. So if you've watched Serendipity or there are any other films like that that you would recommend, please do let me know. I also watched People We Meet on Vacation. What it's called. It's newly released. I did enjoy it. Not my favourite, but I did enjoy it. And I watched The Housemates, so I've seen those. Shake it true, so you're going to have to tell me what you think of it because I don't know. I bought it because the weather has been so rubbish and my neck's been cold, so you'll understand what I mean when I put it on. But my neck has been so cold and I just wanted to be cozy, so I bought this, but I need your opinion. There's a dog barking outside as always, so if you hear barking, it's Brachen. This is the jacket. It has a high neck, which is what I wanted because my neck has been absolutely freezing. Threads, not the best quality. I think it is reversible as well. I think it's reversible, so I would probably have it this side, but I believe you can. Let's try it. Yeah? No? This is so good. I wish I had this when the snow was on. How do the buttons line up? Okay, let's try. I'm just gonna use the mirror. They feel warmer, but I feel like your makeup would rub off in here. But not loving that there's threads, but equally I am loving the look of it and how warm it is. Ignore the joggers. Is it cuter a little bit more undone? Do you hate it? I don't know. It is so cozy. I'm just going to tell you it's so cozy. So that's exactly what I wanted. Let's see if I can reverse it. I believe it is reversible. I think Zara are doing a lot of reversible jackets at the moment. But they the viach. Threads again, not my favorite. I think I'm pretty sure. Oh, no. Yeah? No. Yeah? The pockets tell me that it's not reversible, but the buttons kind of tell me that it is. Yeah, there's buttons on both sides. So, I don't know. If I can work out the pocket, if it is reversible, do you prefer this side or the fluffy side, or do you just hate it altogether? Dit de vjech. Geniaal. Oh my goodness. This, honestly, I could have done with this when the snow was here because my neck